This machine shows concentration of the target material inside the liquid mixture in a real time. So what's the difference from other being sold products? So we use optical probe is a being sold product, but we use this with a nanostructure which can amplify the signal so that low concentration can be sensitively detected. And also we cover this nanostructure and probe with the probe guard so they can protect from the bubbles or other cells which is included in the liquid, so signal can be stably and stably measured. And those stable signal cannot be analyzed easily to the concentration, but we use AI model that can pre-trained with those respective concentration and signals, so that when we get new signal, we can directly change to the concentration. That's how we can see the concentration in a liquid in a real time.